woof, woof, woof. Yum, 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 yum.
Did he poop on him or?
No, he ate him. The second little doggy that was a beagle came out and looked for one. Woo! 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 Yummy! Woo! Yummy!
This is better than YouTube.
And the third one was really big. But he was a lot younger, but he looked big. And he was this big.
Oh, he was a big one.
And he went and looked for one. Woo! 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 Yummy! And the fourth one was humongous.
How can you tell when they're happy, Avery?
When they bark, when they
Do
bark.
they?
See, he's humongous. He's humongous. And so he looked around. Whoopee. Just wait a second. I have to find. I have to find
I
Spider-Man.
think she really enjoyed those beagle hunts.
And then he went woof, he woof, he woof, Judy. and then he found two rabbits, and then he chased both rabbits. And then he ate both of them. And that's the end of my story.
Come out and take a bow.
And here's the actor of the whole story.